each rectangle in a workbook is called a cell. A cell is the intersection of row and column. It means that a cell is the intersection of a row and column. Now, for you to identify a cell, each of these rectangles is known as a cell. When you click each of these rectangles like this, is known as a cell. And how do you identify the location of a cell, or how do you name a cell? To name a cell, all you need to do is to click on that particular cell. For example, this one that I selected here. Now, this is the name. This particular one that I selected here, this is the name of the cell. The name starts with the column name. This cell that I selected is in column A. You can see it. That is the A, represent the column in which it is located. And the number that is attached to the letter is the row number, which is row 1. It simply means that this cell is A1, which means that it is where the column and the row intersect. That is the location of the cell. It simply means that this cell is in the position of column A, row 1. If I select different random cell here, you can see this cell is located in column F, and it is in row 7, and as a result, the name of this cell is F7. If I select different random cell like this one is C7. To name it, the column letter is C, which is C, and the row number is 7, C7. If I select this one is A9. It is A9 because it is in column A, row 9. You can even move and select any cell randomly in this order. For example, I selected this one here. You can see this selected cell is in column G, and you can see the G, and it is in row 222, which is G222. Okay, that is the name of or position of this cell in the Excel workbook. That is how to identify a cell and also to name a cell in Excel. Thank you for watching.